So what do we teach at Fearless Agent? Message discipline, okay? So what is an example of the opposite of message discipline? It's pretty much what all the other coaches teach, but imagine you're at a party, or imagine a typically trained real estate agent is at a party, and somebody says to a realtor, like they always do, "How's the market?" Well, they'll go off pontificating on all their expertise about the market, and then somebody comes along and drags them away, and who knows what they said. Maybe they said something that makes them think this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, or she's not all that bright about real estate after all, and they've hurt themselves because they don't have message discipline. If you ask any Fearless Agent coaching student of mine at a party, "How's the market?" they're going to say, "Well, it wouldn't matter unless you're thinking about selling your house." Are you? That's message discipline. Don't be pontificated and all that stuff. And if they say no, then you say, well, then it really doesn't matter how the market is. And then you're not going to be talking about the market and hurting yourself by saying something embarrassing. It's a little thing. Have you ever been bitten by an elephant? No? Have you ever been bitten by a mosquito? Yeah, see, it's the little things that get you. A little thing like that can make you a lot of money or lose you a lot of money. So at Fearless Agent, we teach you all the little things and some very big things. So if you're interested in making way more money than you're used to in real estate, give me a call at 480-385-8810. We'll have a chat to see if Fearless Agent coaching might be a good fit for you. You can go to fearlessagent.com. On the upper right-hand corner of the screen, click on our webinar, watch that, take a lot of notes, subscribe right here at fearlessagent.tv, and go to fearlessagentpodcast.com, subscribe to that, immerse yourself in all things Fearless Agent. But whenever you think it might be a good fit for you, or if you're not sure, give me a call, 480-385-8810. At the end of that call, I won't be closing you. We'll just see if it's a good fit. And if it is, you'll probably get rich. Either way, we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.